Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna start a mathematical series regarding algebra. First of all, I wanna describe what is algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that helps in the representation of problems, situation in the form of mathematical expressions. Proceeding further, first of all, I want to describe what is an algebraic expression. Then you will clarify the definition of algebra. So, an algebraic expression includes a mathematical phrase that includes variables, constants, coefficients, and algebraic operations. Three like x raised to power 2, x raised to power 3, 3x, 3x square. These are called algebraic terms. And the second one is plus, minus, division, and multiplication. These are called arithmetic operations. Now, if we combine these algebraic terms with the help of arithmetic operation, then we get an algebraic expression. So I wanna recall it again, a mathematical phrase that include variable. The variable like x, it can be like y and z2. Constants, these are like constant, like 3 as a constant. And coefficients, here we can see the coefficient is 3 with x. So we can complete this definition about algebraic expression, a mathematical phrase that includes variables, constants, coefficients, and algebraic operation. Algebraic operation means like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. These are called algebraic operation. If we combine these algebraic terms with the help of these algebraic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, and division, then it is called an algebraic expression. So proceeding further, first we will define what is an equation. In algebra, we will discuss about constants, coefficients, algebraic terms, equations, quadratic equations, linear equations. So first we are gonna start from equation. What is an equation? Basically, equation is from equal sign. It's equality of two expression. So we can define this like from example. Here I have 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here I can see this is equal sign. It is an expression and it is an expression too. The equal sign describing the equality of two expression. The first expression is 2x plus 3 and the other expression is 5. If we see, this is complete definition of an equation. Here the x is a variable which is unknown, and the 5 and 3 are constants. Here 2 is a coefficient. Now we complete the definition of an equation. The equality of two expression is called an equation. Proceeding further, how to solve an equation. I have examples like if we proceed further, I have linear equation. This is type of equation. First one is linear equation. If if we have an equation which have degree 1, it means the variable which is unknown value, unknown letter will include the degree 1, will include the degree 1. I'm going to describe the linear equation, the equation which can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b belong to 0. R mean a set of real number. Here a, b will belong from set of real number. For example, 3x plus 2 is equal to 5. Here we can see here is x is the unknown variable. It's containing the degree 1. Degree mean maximum power. Here this is only one variable, so we also can call it like a linear equation in one variable. Here 3 is a coefficient of this variable which is unknown, and 2 and 5 both are called constant terms. If we want to calculate the value of x, we can add -2 from both sides. Three x plus 2 minus 2 will goes to 0, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 will result in 3. Remember that I am gonna calculate the value of x, so I wanna divide 3 from both sides. 3x over 3 is equal to 3 over 3, so x is equal to 1. So this is the value of the unknown variable. So proceeding further, the second type of equation is quadratic equation. So first we want to define this equation, the equation in which the unknown variable mean it can be x, it can be y, it can be z, contains a degree 2. Degree means a maximum power. Degree 2 is called quadratic equation. It is also called second degree equation. Second degree equation. Here I am gonna describe the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a doesn't equal to 0. Here a, b and c belong to set of a real number. Here x, here also x are variable. The degree of this equation is 2, so it is called a quadratic equation. For example, 5x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also called a quadratic equation. Here 1 is constant term and the other 5 and 2 are coefficient of the given variable, which is also x. Now I'm going to describe how we can solve this type of equation if we have given a quadratic equation and we have to say that solve this equation. So we have three methods to solve this equation. First one is factorization method. Second one is by completing square. and the third one is quadratic formula. Remember that here in this example, the value of A is 5, the value of B is 2, and the value of C is 1. If I put B is equal to 0, then I will get another case of this equation. It will be pure quadratic form of a quadratic equation. Pure quadratic form. If B is equal to 0 in standard form, remember that the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We are gonna put b is equal to 0. Replacing b is 0. Ax squared plus 0 into x plus c is equal to 0. Here we get x squared plus c is equal to 0. So this is the pure quadratic form.